Filming this course, building this course has been a lot of work. It's been a lot of fun, and it has been, start to finish, a family affair. I say finish, we're still not done. But one of the big contributors to our effort is our son, Luke.
Yeah, I've been doing mainly two things in the course. One is the music, so the music in the videos. The guitar is me. I played and we kind of filmed that, and then also the graphics and visuals in our studio that I've done the coding, graphs or charts and all that. A lot of that comes down to me.
Do you want to tell us a little bit how you got started with guitar?
Yeah, I began about 6 years ago. My sister decided to pick up violin, and I didn't want to be outdone by my sister, so. Since you played starting about when you were my age, I kind of picked up your guitars and plugged in and got really hooked on it after a couple months. So yeah, I've played with my church a lot and done worship with them, which is cool. And then played with a friend, Izzy Mahubi, who went to the church, and she makes some music, and so did some gigs with her too, which was also fun.
I think that your ability in both guitar and statistics and math were helped quite a bit by the fact that you were homeschooled, in the simple sense that you had time to really dig in and pursue the fields that you were passionate about and frankly gifted in. And now you are able to give back to the educational community via what you've been helping us with.